Hello students, welcome to Sri Jayendra's Rank Zone classes. I am your friend and mentor for coming classes with respect to business mathematics and statistics. This is lecture number 23, chapter number 5, basic concepts of permutations and combinations. Now we will start with the topic combinations. Combinations. So, the definitions of combination is the number of ways in which smaller or equal number of things are arranged or selected from a collection of things where the order of selection or arrangement is not important are called combinations. The number of ways in which smaller or equal number of things are arranged or selected from a collection of things where the order of selection or arrangement is not important are called the combinations. The selection of a poker hand, which is a combination of 5 cards selected from 52 cards, is an example of combination of 5 things out of 52 things. Here in the poker hand, which is a combination of 5 cards selected from the 52 cards, there is a no order or no arrangement. So, this is the example of combinations. Number of combinations of n different things taken are at a time. So, it is denoted by NCR C of NR CNR. NCR is equal to n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. This is the formula of combinations. Number of combination NCR is equal to n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. Using the above formula we get when NC0 is equal to n factorial by 0 factorial into n minus 0 factorial. So it is n factorial by n factorial is equal to 1. So you have to remember this, NC0 is equal to 1, always 1, and 0 factorial is equal to 1. NCN is equal to n factorial upon n factorial into n minus n factorial. N minus n means 0 factorial. 0 factorial is 1. So n factorial into 1, n factorial by n factorial is equal to 1. Okay. So you have to remember this. NC0 is equal to 1, also NCN is equal to 1. Now understand with example. Find the number of different poker hand in a pack of 52 playing cards. Find the number of different poker hand in pack of 52 playing cards. This is the number of combinations of 52 cards taken 5 at a time. Now applying the formula 52C5. So here formula is n factorial upon r factorial, n factorial upon r factorial, n minus r factorial. This is the NCR. So n is equal to 52, r is equal to 5. Put into this formula. So we will get the 52 factorial upon 5 factorial into 52 minus 5 factorial. Okay. So 52 factorial, 5 factorial, 52 minus 5, 47 factorial. Now 52 into 51 up to 47 because 47 is less than 52. So 52, 51 to cancel the 47 factorial, we have to write up to 47 factorial. 47, 47 factorial cancel. 5 tens are 4 12s are 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Okay. So 52 multiply with 51 into 10 into 49 into 2. So you will get the answer 2 598 960. 25,98,960. 60. Okay. Next example. Let S be the collection of 8 points. Here number of points means n is given in the plane with no 3 points on the straight line. No 3. So R is given. R is equal to 3. Find the number of triangles that have point of S as vertices. Here 8 every choice of 3 points out of S determines a unique triangle. The order of the points selected is unimportant, as whatever be the order, we will get the same triangle. Hence, the desired number is the number of combinations of 8 things taken 3 at a time. Therefore, 8C3, 8 factorial divided by 3 factorial, here NCR. So, n factorial, r factorial, n minus r factorial. N is equal to 8, r is equal to 3. So 8 factorial, 3 factorial, 8 minus 3 factorial. 8 factorial, 3 factorial, 5 factorial. 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. 3 factorial into 5 factorial. 5 factorial cancel. 8 into 7 into 6. 3 into 2 into 1. 3 2s are 6. 6 6 cancel. 8 7s are 56. So there are 56 choices. Okay. Example number 3. A committee is to be formed of 3 persons out of 12. Find the number of ways of forming such a committee. We want to find out the number of combinations of 12 things. Taken 3 at a time. 12 means n. Taken 3. So R. This is given by NCR. So n factorial, r factorial, n minus r factorial. Put the value of n is equal to 12 and r is equal to 3. So 12 factorial, 3 factorial, 12 minus 3, 9 factorial. So 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 factorial. 3 into 2 into 1 into 9 factorial. 9 factorial cancel. 3 4s are 12. 2 5s are 10. 4 5s are 20 into 11. 11 2s are 22. 220. So the answer is 220. Next one is, a committee of 7 members is to be chosen from 6 chartered accountants, 4 economists and 5 cost accountants. In how many ways can this be done if in the committee there must be at least one member from each group and at least 3 chartered accountants? The various methods of selecting the persons from the various groups are shown below. Committee of 7 members, CA, economists and cost accountants. So method 1 is 3 CA, economists 2 and cost accountants 2. Method 2, 4 2 2, 4 1 2, 5 1 1. These are the possibilities. 3 3 1 and 3 1 3. So the number of ways choosing the committee members by, here for the first method there is a 3 CA. So total number of CA is 6. So 6 C3, 6 total number 6. Out of 6, 3 selected. So 6 C3, 6 C4, 6 C4, 6 C5, 6 C3 and 6 C3. Same way for economist. 4 economists. So 4 C2, 4 C2, 4 C1, 4 C1, 4 C3, 4 C1. Here cost accountants 5 cost accountants. So 5 C2, out of 5 2 selected. Same way for 5 C1, 5 C2, 5 C1, 5 C1, 5 C3. Okay. Now take the multiplication of multiplication. So you will get the in method 1 1200, in method 2 450, Method 3, 600. Method 4, 120. Method 5, 400. For method 6, 800. Now total number of ways, add all the methods number. 1200, 450 plus 450 plus 600 plus 120 plus 400 plus 800 is equal to 3570. Okay. Now the example number 5. A person has 12 friends, of whom 8 are relatives. 8 are relatives. In how many ways can he invite 7 guests such that 5 of them are relatives? 5 of them are relatives. Of the 12 friends, 8 are relatives and the remaining 4 are not relatives. Okay. So he has to invite 5 relatives. So 8C5. Total number of relatives 8. 8C5. And 2 friends as his guest. 2 friends as his guest. 4 are not relatives. So 4 is guest. So out of 4, 2 friends as his guest. So 5 relatives can be chosen out of 8 in 8C5 ways, and 2 friends can be chosen out of 4 in 4C2 ways. So put the formula. NCR is equal to n factorial upon r factorial n minus r factorial. Okay. So 8 factorial, 5 factorial, 8 minus 5 factorial into 4 factorial upon 2 factorial, 4 minus 2 factorial. 8, 7, 6 into 5 factorial. 5 factorial. 8 minus 5, 3 factorial. So 3 into 2 into 1. 5 factorial cancel. 3 to the 6 cancel. 56 into 4 factorial. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 2 factorial. 2 into 1. 4 minus 2. 2 factorial. 2 into 1. 2 to the 4. 3 to the 6. 8 7 the 56 into 3 to the 6. So the answer is 336. Okay. Next example number 6. A company wishes to simultaneously promote 2 of its 6 department head, 2 assistant managers. In how many ways these promotions can take place? 6 department head to assistant manager, 2 of its 6 department head. So out of 6, 2 selected. So 6C2, 6 into 5 NCR, n factorial, r factorial, n minus r factorial. 6 factorial r. So 2 factorial. 6 minus 2, 4 factorial. 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. 2 into 4 factorial. 2 3s are 6. 3 5s are 15 ways. Number of ways are 15. Next. A building contractor needs 3 helpers. Needs 3 helpers and 10 men apply. Out of 10, building contractor required 3 helper. So 10C3. In how many ways can this selection take place? There is no regard for order in this problem. Hence the contractor can select in any of 10C3 ways. So NCR 10C3. N factorial, r factorial, n minus r factorial. N is equal to 10, r is equal to 3. 10 factorial, 3 factorial, 10 minus 3, 7 factorial. So 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial upon 3 into 2 into 1 into 7 factorial. 7 factorial cancel. 3 3s are 9, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12 into 10, 120. So the answer is 120 ways. Next. Example number 8. In each case, find n. 4 into nc2 is equal to n plus 2 c3 is given. Now, applying the formula, n factorial upon 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial, and n plus 2 c3, n plus 2 factorial upon 3 factorial, n plus 2 minus 3 factorial. So, you will get n factorial 2 factorial n minus 2 factorial, n plus 2 factorial 3 factorial, n minus 1 factorial. So 4 into n minus 1, n minus 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 into 1 into n minus 2 factorial, cancel, 2 to the 4 is equal to n plus 2 n plus 2 into n plus 1 into n minus 1 factorial upon 3 factorial n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 cancel. So you will get the 4 into n minus 1 upon 2 is equal to n plus 2 n plus 1 n into n minus 1 factorial, cancel, upon 3 factorial. So 4n n minus 1 by 2 is equal to n plus 2 into n plus 1 into n by 3 factorial. So here 4n n minus 1 by 2 is equal to n plus 2 n plus 1 n by 3 to 1, n cancel. So 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6. You can write 6 into n minus 1 is equal to n square plus 3n plus 2. 6n minus 6 is equal to n square plus 3n plus 2. So n square plus 3n minus 6 and minus 3n minus 6 right side, so plus 6, so plus 8 is equal to 0. Sorry, there is a mistake here, 2 is present, so 6 2s are 12, okay. 6 2s are 3 2s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. So 12 into n minus 1 is equal to n plus 2 into n plus 1. 12n minus 12, n square plus 3n plus 2. So n square plus 3n minus 12n minus 9n plus 2 plus 12 plus 14 is equal to 0. Take first and third position. So 14n square, 7 2s are 14, 7n 2n minus 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 minus, here plus. So you can write n square minus 7n minus 2n plus 14 is equal to 0. n minus 7 minus 2 n minus 7 is equal to 0. So n minus 7 n minus 2 is equal to 0. N is equal to 7 or n is equal to 2. 2 or 7. Okay. Next, we are given that n plus 2 cn is equal to 45. Applying the formula. So n plus 2 factorial upon n factorial, n plus 2 minus n factorial. So minus n plus n cancel is equal to 45. So n plus 2 n plus 1 into n factorial and 2n factorial, because 2 factorial it becomes 2 is equal to 45. N factorial cancel. So n plus 2 into n plus 1, 45 into 2, 90. Okay. So n square plus 3n minus 88. Here this becomes n square plus 3n, 2 ones are 2, minus 90 is equal to 0. So minus 88 is equal to 0. So 88n square, 88n square, first and last term. 11 8s are 11n, 8n. Here plus sign, so plus and minus, 11 plus 11 minus 8n. N plus 11 into n minus 8 is equal to 0. Minus 11 and 8. But negative value is not possible. So the n is equal to 8 is the answer. Next, example number 9. A box contains 7 red, 6 white and 4 blue balls. How many selections of 3 balls can be made so that all 3 are red, none is red and 1 is of each color? All 3 balls will be of red color if they are taken out of 7 red balls. So 7C3. So 7 factorial 3 factorial into 7 minus 3 factorial. So 7 factorial 3 factorial 4 factorial is equal to 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial, 3 into 2 into 1 into 4 factorial, 4 factorial cancel, 3 to 6, 7 5 is 35 ways. Hence 35 selection groups will be there such that all 3 balls are red. B. None of 3 will be red if these are chosen from 6 white and 4 blue balls, 10 balls, and this can be done in 10C3. So 10 factorial upon 3 factorial, 10 n minus r, so 10 minus 3 factorial. So 10 factorial upon 3 factorial of 7 factorial. So 10, 9, 8, 7 factorial upon 3 factorial, 7 factorial cancel. So 3 2s are 6, so 3 3s are 9 and 2 4s are, so 4 3s are 12 into 10, 120 ways. Hence the selection of groups of 3 such that none is red ball are 120 in number. One red ball can be chosen from 7 balls, so 7C1 is equal to 7 ways. One white ball can be chosen from 6 white balls, so 6C1. One blue ball can be chosen from 4 blues, 4C1, 4 ways. Hence, by generalized the fundamental principle, the number of groups of 3 balls such that one is of each color, 7 into 6 into 4, 7 6 are 42, 42 4s are 168 ways. Next example 10. If 10PR is equal to 6,04,800, 10CR is equal to 120. Find the value of R. We know that NCR into RPR is equal to NPR. We will use this equality to find R. So 10PR is equal to 10CR R factorial. So here given 6,04,800 is equal to 120. 10CR is equal to 120 into R factorial. So R factorial is equal to 6,04,800 divided by 120. So you will get the 5,040. But R factorial is equal to 5,040. So 5,040 in the form of 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 7 factorial. Therefore, R factorial is equal to 7 factorial. Factorial cancel, R is equal to 7. So, R is equal to 7. Properties of NCR. You have to learn this and remember it. NCR is equal to NCN minus R. N plus 1 CR is equal to NCR plus N CR minus 1. These properties are used in the questions for shortcut method. Okay, so you have to learn this and remember this. Okay, so NC0 is equal to 1, NCN is equal to 1. Okay, now next is not. NCR has a meaning only when R and N are integers. 0 less than or equal to R less than or equal to N. And NC N minus R has a meaning only when 0 less than or equal to N minus R less than or equal to N. NCR and NCN minus R are called complementary combinations. For if we form a group of R things out of N different things, N minus R remaining things which are not included in this group form another group of rejected things. The number of groups of N different things taken R at a time should be equal to the number of groups of N different things taken N minus R at a time. Now, example 11. Find R if 18CR is equal to 18C R plus 2. NCR is equal to NCN minus R. So here 18CR is equal to 18C 18 minus R. Now compared this and this. So 18C 18 minus R is equal to 18C R plus 2. So 18 minus R is equal to R plus 2. 18 minus 2 R plus R. 2R. So R is equal to 16 by 2 is equal to 8. So R is equal to 8. You can see using the property you can easily solve this question. Understand this? Okay. Now example number 13. 28C2R is to 24C2R minus 4 is equal to 225 is to 11. Find R. Here 28C2R is equal to 28 factorial upon 2R factorial 28 minus 2R factorial. 24C2R minus 4. So 24 factorial 2R minus 4 factorial and 24 minus in the bracket 2R minus 4 factorial. So you will get 24 factorial upon 2R minus 4 factorial. 24 minus minus plus 4. So 28 minus 2R factorial. Okay. Now take the ratio. 28C2R upon 24C2R minus 4. So after solving you will get 28 into 27 into 26 into 25. 2R into 2R minus 1, 2R minus 2, 2R minus 3 is equal to, here given 225 by 11. So 2R into 2R minus 1, 2R minus 2, 2R minus 3. Take cross multiplication. 11 into 28 into 27 into 26 into 25. So after solving this, you can write as 5 45 5 5 5 9 9 3 so 11 into 28 into 3 into 26. So 11 into 7 into 4 7 4 is 28 3 13 2 is 26 11 into 12 into 13 into 14. So 14 into 13 into 12 into 11. So 2R is equal to here 2R is equal to 14, 2R minus 1 is equal to 13, 2R minus 2 is equal to 12 and 2R minus 3 is equal to 11. So 2R is equal to 14. So R is equal to 14 by 2 is equal to 7. R is equal to 7. Next example, example number 14. Find x if 12c5 plus 2, 12c4 plus 12c3 is equal to 14cx. Now first solve the left hand side. So 12c5 plus 2 into 12c4 plus 12c3. 12c5 plus 12c4 plus 12c4 plus 12c3. So it becomes 13n plus 1 cr. So 13cr c5 plus same way here 12c4 plus 12c3. R is greater R is 4. So R is 4 and n is n plus 1. So 13c4 is equal to 13c5 and 13c4. 4 and 5. R is greatest R is 5. So here 13, 13. So n plus 1, 13 plus 1. So 14c5. We are using NCR is equal to NCN minus R. So 14c5 is equal to 14c, 14 minus 5, 14c9 compared with 14cx. So x is equal to 9. X is equal to 9. Or compared with also 14c5, so 14cx. So x is equal to 5 also. So x is equal to 5 or x is equal to 9. NCR has a meaning only when R and N are integers. 0 less than or equal to R less than or equal to N. And NCN minus R has a meaning only when 0 less than or equal to N minus R less than or equal to N. Remember this formula, n plus 1 CR is equal to NCR plus NCR minus 1. And second one is NPR is equal to n minus 1 PR plus R raised to n minus 1 PR minus 1. Standard results. Permutations when sum of the things are alike taken all at a time. P is equal to n factorial upon n1 factorial, n2 factorial, n3 factorial. Permutations when each thing may be repeated once, twice, up to r times in any arrangement is equal to n factorial. The total number of ways in which it is possible to form groups by taking some or all of the n things, 2 raised to n minus 1. The total number of ways in which it is possible to make groups by taking some or all out of n, like n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus n4, etc. Things where n1 things are alike of one kind and so on is given by. So n1 plus 1, n2 plus 1, n3 plus 1 up to in the bracket minus 1. The combinations of selecting R1 things from a set having n1 objects and R2 things from a set of having n2 objects, where combination of R1 things and R2 things are independent, is given by n1 CR1 into n2 CR2. Independent. Here you have to remember this word independent. Both combinations are independent. At that time you have to use n1 CR1 into n2 CR2. Example 1. How many different permutations are possible from the letters of the word calculus? Here the word calculus consists of 8 letters, of which 2 are C, 2 are L and 2 are U, and the rest are A and S. Hence by the result 1, the number of different permutations from the letters of the word calculus taken at all at a time, n factorial upon n1 factorial, n2 factorial, n3 factorial, n4 factorial, n5 factorial. Okay. So after solving this, we will get the answer 5040. Next example, example number 2. In how many ways can 17 billiard balls are arranged if 7 of them are black, 6 red and 4 white? So same way, n factorial upon n1 factorial, n2 factorial, n3 factorial, 17 factorial upon 7 factorial, 6 factorial, 4 factorial. You will get the answer 40,84,080. Next is example number 4. A man has 5 friends. In how many ways can he invite one or more of his friends to dinner? As he has to select one or more of his 5 friends, he can do so in 2 raised to n minus 1. Here 5 friends, so 2 raised to n minus 1. 2 raised to 5 minus 1. 32 minus 1 is equal to 31. This can also be done in the way outlines below. He can invite his friends by one in twos, in threes, etc. And hence the number of ways 5c1 plus 5c2 plus 5c3 plus 5c4 plus 5c5. So 5 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 31 ways. There are 7 men and 3 ladies. Find the number of ways in which a committee of 6 can be formed. Of them, if the committee is to include at least 2 ladies, the committee of 6 must include at least 2 ladies. At least 2 ladies. 2 or more ladies. As there are only 3 ladies, the following possibility arise. The committee of 6 consists 4 men and 2 ladies. 3 men and 3 ladies. So 7C4. Out of 7, 4 selected. Or out of 3, 2 ladies selected. So 3C2, 7C, though both are independent. So multiplication 7C4 into 3C2. So 35 into 3 is equal to 105. The number of ways for 3 men and 3 ladies, 7C3 into 3 out of 3, 3 selected. So 35 into 1 is equal to 35. Hence the total number of ways forming a committee, so include at least 2 ladies, is equal to 105 plus 35 is equal to 140. Here you have to solve this, and after that you will get this 35 into 3. So 7C4, 7 factorial, 4 factorial, 3 factorial into 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 minus 2, 1 factorial. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. 4 factorial, 3 into 2, 3, 4 factorial against 3 to the 6. 7 5 is 35 into 3 factorial, 3 into 2, 2, 2 cancel into 3 is equal to 105. Same way for this 7C3, 7 factorial, 3 factorial, 7 minus 3, 4 factorial into 3C3 is 1, NCN is equal to 1. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. 3 into 2 into 1 into 4 factorial cancel. 3 2 is 6 cancel. 7 5 is 35. Now the answer is 35. So number of ways of forming committee so as to include at least 2 ladies. So 105 plus 35 is equal to 140. Example number 6. Find the number of ways of selecting 4 letters from the word examination. There are 11 letters. Examination is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Total 11 letters. In a word of which A, I, N are repeated twice. A, I, I, N, N. E, X, M, T, O remaining words. Letter. The group of 4 selected letters may take any of the following forms. 2 alike and other 2 alike. 2 alike and other 2 different. All 4 different. So in case first, the number of ways 3C2. 3, 2 alike and other 2 alike. Here 4 letters from the word. So 2 alike and other 2 alike. So 3C 2. Here total number of alike letter is 3 and chosen is 2. So 3C2. Other 2 alike. Here 3C2 is equal to 3. 3C2 is equal to 3. In case to the number of ways, 3C1 into 7C2. 3C1 into 7C2 into 7C2 is equal to 3 into 21 is equal to 63. In case of 3, the number of ways 8C4. So 8, 7, 6, 5 upon 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 cancel, 4 2s are 8. 7 5s are 35, 2s are 70. So the required ways, number of ways 3 plus 63 plus 70 is equal to 136 ways. This lecture is over here. Next time we will continue with the questions. Okay? So see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.